Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for coming by. I'm so excited because here we are in August. Today is August 1st and I have my first August box, which technically is an August-September box, and it's my confetti collection. And this is such a fun box, so I'm so happy to kick off August with this huge box. And by the way, I noticed when I held it up earlier, it has a sticker that says 2019 award winner of the US Subscription Box Awards. I don't know what that means, but it was good enough that they got a sticker, so that's kind of fun. So, in case you don't know, Confetti Collection comes every 2 months, so this is the August-September box, and it is $24.99. That's $19.99 plus $5 in shipping, and it comes with 8 or more novelty stationery type products in it. And last month, I just happened to have sitting right here, last month we got this cute little cup that I keep my scissors and my knives and all the things that I need to pull this off with in it. So let's get in here and see what they have sent us for August and September. This comes in such a huge box, and it is full usually of the shredded paper squigglies, but I will tell you, I have packed up a couple boxes lately, and I did a gift bag and I used them in it, and it's so wonderful just to have them around. For me, it's like a bonus. So we open it up, and this is what the inside looks like, and it's wrapped in bubble wrap, and it is again sitting on this shredded paper that's the white and holographic, and open the bubble wrap, and we have a big, fun, pink burrito of goodness. And this is going to be everything they've given us with our little confetti collection sticker. How cute is that? And then the box, like I said, is chock-a-block of this shredded holographic and white paper, but so handy to have around. When we open up our burrito, we have wrapped in plastic all of our goodies. And on top, we have a little note from them that says Confetti Collection, surprise, plan a party. If you love Confetti Collection, then we know you love a good party. But why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? Well, we're here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. So call your gal pals and let's get this party started. Excellent. Well, let's get this bag opened. So how are you guys doing? I'm so ready to get back into some subscription boxes. I just can't wait. We've been doing all of the FabFitFun spoilers, and I love that. I love seeing what we're going to get, but I'm happy to be back into some boxes. So the first thing we have are file folders. We got some in our first box also that were the kind that you could color, and I've had so much fun coloring those, but I could surely use more because of all of the planning that I do with all of my YouTube, keeping track of all of my boxes now. We have 9 file folders, 3 in each style. Let me take them out so you can see one of each. Okay, this is what they look like. This one is pretty. It's got metallic stripes and regular stripes on it. So pretty. These say, amazing things will happen. Here's hoping. And it's pretty, and it's regular and metallic also. Pretty pink. Love pink. And these say, think happy thoughts, which I always try and do. And these are a nice dark pink. And how pretty are those? So now I have 9 file folders to plan all of my YouTube things in. I love being organized. It's just who I am. These also come with labeling stickers that you can see. It's got a little bit of a pink tint to it in case you want a label on this. Okay, next I see right away we have our ribbon and our bow. And we get these in each box. We've gotten pink, different colors, but pink's in the last box. So I'm happy to have this pretty teal blue and a matching squiggly bow. How cute is that? These are so handy to have around. I have used my pink ribbon several times to tie up gifts and stuff. It's been really handy to have around. Next we have, this is fun. So in the last couple of boxes, we've gotten a cup, which I showed you the one that we got last time, and matching napkins. But this time, instead of a cup, we got plates. So we have 16 paper plates, which are they're luncheon size and so handy to have around. And to go with it, we got a 40 count of napkins that match it. How pretty are those? And they're kind of summery, but they're also kind of autumn with this nice rustish orangish edging. These are definitely going to get used around here. I love to grab things like this for lunch instead of dirtying plates, so super handy. Next, we have a card that says, may your life be filled with one good hair day after another. That's so cute. Look how cute this is. They have little tasseled hairdos all pointing up. Let's see if I can gently take this out of here and show it to you guys. It says the message on the inside is wishing you the simple pleasures in life. So that is what it looks like out of the bag. Just a card, but how cute is that? And in opening it, I see that these cute tassels are attached with paper clips. So in theory, once you've given the card, they have cute paper clips with these little tassels attached. And there's a piece of paper inside that says to lay it over this when you slide it into the envelope so that the tassels stay in good shape. And then we also just have our nice sentiment on the inside. That is so cute. That will definitely get used. I just love this box. It is so fun. Next we have, oh my goodness, how cute is this? It is a pen and it says, "Let's Flamingo," and it has an adorable pink flamingo dangle on it. How cute is that? Let's get this out of here. Such a cute box. I just love stationery things. I can't help it. Here, let me put my glasses on. It looks like it is an enameled pen, kind of a pinky taupey color, and it has a cute little flamingo. How cute. That is so fun. This will be perfect in my purse. So cute. And then we have our paper. And every month we get some kind of notebook or something from them, and I look forward to it because I take notes. I keep notes. I write, so, you know, I've said this in the past and it stands true. I love to write things down. I know that they want me to put my whole life, as we talk, I'm gonna take this out of here. I know they want me to put my whole life in my phone in the notes category or somewhere, but I just love writing things down where I can put my hands on them and see them. And look how cute this is. It is a to-do list. How cute is that? And the back has the magnetic stripe so that you can pop it right up on the fridge. Or not if you don't want to. I think probably I'm not going to use it on my fridge, so what I may do is try and get the magnet off, and if I can't get it off, I'll just peel this back section off because I love a to-do list sitting right by my chair in the evening, so when I'm thinking about what I'm going to do the next day. Just a little insight. Oh, and it says that this is 75 sheets. So cute. And last but not least, I have the Make Today Count. This is heavy. It is a box that is, see how cute that is? And on the inside, it's memo paper that says today's date and to do. And that's what it looks like. So cute. Let's take this out and see what we can see. It says that it is 200 sheets. So are they loose or are they padded? Let's see. This is all so color coordinated. They definitely went, it's padded. So this is, I don't know if you can see, this is a pad in here. So you could technically take it out if you wanted. Talk about sitting next to my chair and making my notes for the next day with my little Flamingo pen on it. This, all of the coordination in the color in this, between this, the peachiness of this, because you can see the back, and then the pinky peachiness of this, and the pinky rustiness of this. They really coordinated so well this month. And that was such a cute box for $19.99. I love it because I am a note taker and I love that they give me note-taking things. And I have found it so incredibly handy to have that paper that comes in the box, which I understand is not one of the products, but I still love it. And the ribbon and the bows around, and now a nice card just to have sitting around that you could use for almost any occasion. It's just a fun box to get. And thanks so much for coming by, guys. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, which should be anytime now. I have all kinds of things coming to the house and a couple of new things to try. So I will see you all really soon, and I hope you have a great weekend coming up. Bye, guys.